In this video, we go through the answers to the questions that I left at the end of the last video. For question 1, we start by calculating the probability of a starting hand with 19 points, and then this will allow us to calculate a probability of 19 or more points. So we start by observing that in order to get 19 points, you either need a 9 and a 10, or an 8 and an ace. There are 16 choose 1 ways times 4 choose 1 ways for the former, and 4 choose 1 times 4 choose 1 ways for the latter, and then we divide by the total number of possible hands, 52 choose 2, to get our answer. We then add this to the probability of 20 points and the probability of blackjack to get the probability of 19 or more points in your starting hand is approximately 21%. In question 2, we calculate this very similarly to the example that was in the previous video again. So we look and see that in order to bust, we need either a 7, an 8, a 9 or a 10. So we sum up these possibilities, we divide by the total number of cards left in the deck, which is 49, and this gives us an answer of approximately 53%. Question 3 is done similarly to an example in the previous video. So we observe that there are 14 cards that the dealer could have to get blackjack out of a possible 49. This is a probability of 2/7, approximately 28.57%, making insurance a worst bet in this case, as it's less likely that the dealer has blackjack and less likely that you'll get a return on your money. In order to break even, you require odds of 7-2, so therefore you'd need better odds than that in order for this to be a worthwhile gamble in this case. Well, that's it from me. If you want to go back to the rules video, then click in the top left corner. If you want to go to the strategy video, then click the deck of cards. If you want to go to the previous maths video, then click on the chips. And if you're sick of hearing of me and you want to go back to the hub video, then feel free to click near the centre of the screen.